before we look at finding the surface area of a closed cylinder, it will be more helpful if we can look at the net of a closed cylinder, and then we can be able to know the steps involved when you're trying to find the surface area of a closed cylinder. So here is a cylinder, and what we want to do is to try and figure out what the net of this cylinder will look like. So if we open it up, so that's the top and the bottom, which are circles. We cut along it the vertical whatever height, and if you open up, what you have is basically three shapes. You have two circles and one rectangle. So our goal is to find the area of the surface area of this cylinder, which means we need to find the area of these two circles, and we need to find the area of the rectangle formed by the curved surface, and then we add them together to find the surface area of a cylinder. So a few things that I want to mention here is that the net is made of two circles and a rectangle, which is curled around to make a curved surface. So the net is made of two circles and a rectangle, which is curled around to make a curved surface. So what do we mean here? We have a rectangle and we have two circles. Okay, now what we need to do is to find the area of the rectangle, the area of the two circles, and add them together. Now for this rectangle, the height is 8 centimeters, so that will be 8 centimeters. Okay, eight centimeters. The base of this rectangle, is formed by this edge, okay, all round. So basically this space here is formed by the circumference of the circle, and that will be this is circumference, which is equal to pi times diameter, and the diameter in this case is 6, so pi multiplied by 6, and which will give us 18.8 centimeters. So this length here is 18.8 centimeters. So we can calculate the area of this rectangle. Now how about these two guys here? Now here the diameter is 6 centimeters, which means the radius is 3 centimeters. So the radius of each of this guy is 3, which means we can be able to calculate the area. Now remember, area of a circle is equals to pi r squared. Okay, and you're going to apply that when we'll be finding the area of these two circles. Anyway, so let's put these things together. So the area of the curved surface area of curved surface, which is area of rectangle, that will be 8 multiplied by 18.8, which will give us 150.4 centimeters squared. And then we have these two circles for the top and the bottom. Now, the area of the two circles will be pi r squared multiplied by 2. So that will be pi multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, and whatever we get multiplied by 2. So that will be equal to 56.6 centimeters squared. So the total surface area will be equal to that answer plus that answer. So 150.4 plus 56.6, which will give us 207 centimeters squared.